Manu already know Niki and Manu from their viral stories on YouTube. Stories about history, culture, magic recipes, and for teaching us values like respect, empathy, and courage. But few know something very special. Niki and Manu really exist. They live in a corner of nature in southern Switzerland, with their mom, their dad, a very wise cat named Socrates, and their guard dog Julieta. Aunt Carmela, an artist and educator, created their animated versions so they could tell their stories, without showing their faces but showing everything they are, their dreams, their questions, and their huge hearts. Niki is brave, curious, and dreams of being an architect. Manu loves nature, science, and wants to be a pilot and a geologist. They travel with their imaginations, explore traditions, cook with grandma, and every story you see on the channel has something from their real lives. We just add drawings, music, and a little bit of magic. This channel was born with love, and it grew thanks to moms, dads, and teachers who seek positive, fun, and value-driven content. We invite you to continue discovering the world with us, one story at a time.